Hello students, today we will read a new topic, food and health. In this topic we will study about components of food, balanced diet, healthy habits, diseases, prevention of communicable disease. Our first topic is components of food. फूड कंटेन्स सर्टेन सब्सटेंसेस कॉल्ड न्यूट्रिएंट्स. फूड के अंदर बहुत सारे सब्सटेंसेस पाए जाते हैं, उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? न्यूट्रिएंट्स. न्यूट्रिएंट्स गिव एनर्जी टू आवर बॉडी. हमारी बॉडी को व्हाट दे गिव अस एनर्जी टू आवर बॉडी. दे प्रोटेक्ट आवर बॉडी अगेंस्ट डिजीज़ एंड हेल्प इन द ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट. ये जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स होते हैं हमारी बॉडी को क्या देते करते हैं? बॉडी को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं डिजीज़ से, हमें बड़ा करने में भी हेल्प करते हैं. दे हेल्प इन आर ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट. देर आर 5 मेन न्यूट्रिएंट्स इन फूड. हमारी फूड में कितने न्यूट्रिएंट्स होते हैं? देर आर 5 न्यूट्रिएंट्स. 5 तरह के न्यूट्रिएंट्स पाए जाते हैं. फर्स्ट इज़ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, फैट्स, प्रोटीन्स, vitamins and minerals. Now how many kinds of nutrients in our body are there? There are 5 kinds of nutrients. The first is carbohydrates, then fats, then proteins, vitamins and minerals. Our body needs all the nutrients in right amount. हमारी बॉडी को बड़ा करने के लिए, ग्रोथ के लिए, हमारी ग्रोथ के लिए all these nutrients are very important. Now first is, let us study in detail. First is carbohydrates. Now what are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates give energy to our body. Carbohydrates are those nutrients, ऐसे nutrients जो हमारी बॉडी को एनर्जी देते हैं. Some of the examples are wheat, rice, corn, bread, potato and sugar. These are the examples of कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. हमारी गेहूँ हो गए, चावल हो गए, ब्रेड, पोटैटो एंड शुगर आर सम सोर्सेज ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट. दीज आर सोर्सेज ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. Our next topic is fats. Fats give more energy than carbohydrates. Now students, see, in the first topic we have read carbohydrates. They give us energy. But these fats, they give us more energy than carbohydrates. Milk, ghee, butter, cheese and dry fruits are some sources of fats. Now see, these the milk products, ghee, butter, cheese, these what do they all give us? They give us fats. Excessive intake of fatty foods can cause obesity. Now see, if you take more fats, अगर हम ज़्यादा फैट्स लेंगे, घी, बटर, चीज़ ज़्यादा खाएंगे, तो what will happen? We will get one disease. What is the name of the disease? Obesity. In obesity, a person grows fat. Now this, so we should take fats in a proper amount. Now next nutrients, 3 nutrients we have read. Now the third nutrient is proteins. Proteins help in growth. Now see, the proteins, this is also the nutrients which is essential for the children to take, because they help in the growth of the children. They also help in repairing damaged tissue and cells of our body. हमारे बॉडी की जो टिश्यूज़ डैमेज हो जाते हैं, सेल्स डैमेज हो जाते हैं, उनकी ग्रोथ में भी कौन हेल्प करता है हमें? प्रोटीन्स. मिल्क, पनीर, pulses, beans, eggs and meat are some sources of proteins. Now see, again, milk, paneer, pulses, beans, egg and meat, good for the non-vegetarians. They get more proteins from these. Non-vegetarian people get more proteins from egg and meat. And so those who are vegetarian, they can eat milk and paneer for the protein. So protein is also essential for the students. Our next topic is vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals help in the students, our next topic is vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals help in the normal functioning of our body. Now see students, the normal functioning of our body we get from the vitamins and minerals. Normal functions means our daily activities. They help in protecting our lives against disease. Whenever we get disease, who help us? Vitamins and minerals. They help us. हम जब भी हमारी बॉडी को कोई डिजीज़ लग जाती है तो we get protected if we have adequate amount of vitamins and minerals. Fruits, vegetables and milk are some sources of vitamins and minerals. Now see, from where do we get these vitamins and minerals? From fruits and vegetables. We should eat all kinds of fruits and all kind of vegetable. Vitamin C helps in the growth, help to keep the gums healthy. Vitamin C very important. This we get from the citrus fruit, amla, these oranges. We get vitamin C from this, so it keeps our gums healthy. Vitamin C is very important for all children to keep their gums healthy. Calcium makes our bones and teeth strong. Our teeth get strong with the help of vitamins and minerals. So calcium, it is a rich source to keep our body, our bones strong. So we should take adequate amount of calcium. Our next topic is water and roughage. Beside nutrients, our body also needs water and roughage. Roughage is the undigested part of the plant food. Now what is roughage? It is the undigested part. The part which is not digested by the body is called roughage. It is the undigested part of the plant. It helps in getting rid of waste from our body. The waste products which get out from our body, in the waste products we have the roughage helps in the removal of the waste products from our body. Fruits and vegetables are sources of roughage. Now students, see, from where do we get these roughage? We get from fruit and vegetables. Water also helps to get rid of waste from our body in the form of urine. Now see, water helps in the digestion of the food, and the waste products from our body comes out when we go for the urine. So when we go for the toilet, the waste products from our body comes out in the form of toilet. Now see, water is also essential for the digestion of food and to get rid of the waste products from our body in the form of urine. Our next topic is balanced diet. We should consume food rich in nutrients. Now see students, in the starting of the chapter only I told you we should have all such food which contain the nutrients. Our daily diet containing all the nutrients in adequate amounts required for the healthy functioning of the body is known as balanced diet. Now see, what is balanced diet? A balanced diet is a diet that contain all the nutrients in adequate amount. Means हमारी बैलेंस डाइट कौन सी डाइट कहलाएगी? जिस डाइट में हमारे सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स प्रॉपर अमाउंट में हों. ये नहीं कि हमें एक ही हमें दही खानी है, हमें चावल खाने. नो, दिस इज़ नॉट गुड. अ स्टूडेंट शुड हैव all the food items in proper amount, so that we should get all the nutrients in proper amount. In our diet we should have rice also, curd also, chapati also, vegetable also, pulses also. Each and everything we should eat in proper amount. Whatever nowadays, what do students do when the teachers ask what you have brought? क्या बोलते हैं, हमारी मम्मी ने तो पूड़ी दी, पूड़ी अच्छी लगती है. No, you should have equal amount of food in all in your diet. Not only puri, you should eat chapati also, rice also. बच्चे क्या करते हैं, चावल खा लेते हैं. नो, बिसाइड राइस, चावल के साथ साथ आप थोड़ी सी दाल भी लीजिए, सब्जी भी खाइए, दही भी लो, अचार भी लो, सब कुछ. बिकॉज ईच एंड एवरी फूड इज़ एसेंशियल फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ द body. So this is the meaning of balanced diet, that we should have all the nutrients in adequate amount. Now we should eat food from all food groups every day. See, the book also says that we should eat all the food items, all the food from all the food groups every day. Now I think it is clear to you that we should eat a balanced diet means we should have a balanced diet, and a balanced diet means that we should have all the nutrients in proper amount. Healthy habits: balanced diet, exercise, correct posture, and rest are essential for keeping ourselves healthy. Now see students, balanced diet, we had balanced diet, हमने balanced diet ले ली, exercise करेंगे, correct posture means sitting properly or standing properly, and rest are essential for keeping ourselves healthy. Not only balanced diet, खाली balanced diet से ही नहीं, हमारा एक्सरसाइज करना चाहिए, हमें हमारा बैठने का पोस्चर सही होना चाहिए. Our next topic is healthy habits. Balanced diet, exercise, correct posture, and rest are essential for keeping ourselves healthy. Now see students, besides balanced diet, exercise, correct posture means the way you sit, walk, sleep, and the rest are essential for keeping ourselves healthy. All these things, when we will remain healthy is not only balanced diet से ही नहीं, हमें प्रॉपर एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए, हमारे बैठने का चलने का पोस्चर मीन्स तरीका सही होना चाहिए, एंड रेस्ट. ऑल दीज थिंग्स कीप आवर बॉडी हेल्दी. एक्सरसाइज इम्प्रूव्स आवर ब्लड सर्कुलेशन एंड टोन्स आवर मसल्स. नाउ सी व्हाट हैपन्स. एक्सरसाइज करने से क्या होता है, हमारा ब्लड सर्कुलेशन सही रहता है और हमारी मसल्स दे रिमेन हेल्दी. रनिंग, jogging, cycling, aerobics and yoga are some forms of exercise. Now you must have seen running, भागने से, cycling करने से, jogging करने से, aerobics. These are what are these? These are forms of the exercise. अलग अलग तरीके की ये exercises हैं. Now see what is posture. Posture is the position in which we hold our body when we sit, stand or मूव. मैंने बताया आपको पोस्चर क्या होता है. ये हम अपनी बॉडी को कैसे रखते हैं, जब हम चलते हैं, बैठते हैं और खड़े होते हैं, हमारी बॉडी को हम कैसे रखते हैं. अगर हम झुककर चलेंगे तो हमारी हाइट नहीं दिखेगी, हम झुके हुए दिखेंगे. सो वी शुड सिट प्रॉपरली, वी शुड स्टैंड स्ट्रेट सो दैट आवर बॉडी में लुक हेल्दी. We must keep our back straight while sitting or standing. See, the book also says हमें चलते टाइम, बैठते टाइम हमारी बैक को, हमारी पीछे की साइड को, बैक को बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट रखना चाहिए. प्रॉपर रेस्ट एंड स्लीप रिलैक्स आवर मसल्स एंड गिव आवर बॉडी द मच नीडेड रेस्ट. हमने खाना भी खा लिया, एक्सरसाइज भी कर ली, सब काम कर लिया, उसके बाद व्हाट शुड वी डू? वी शुड रेस्ट एंड स्लीप. हमें सोना भी चाहिए, स्लीप भी करना चाहिए, रेस्ट लेना चाहिए. वाई? बिकॉज इट रिलैक्स आवर मसल्स. हमारी मसल्स रिलैक्स होती हैं. एंड गिव आवर बॉडी द मच नीडेड रेस्ट. हमारी मसल्स, हमारा ब्रेन भी, द ब्रेन ऑल्सो gets tired if we continuously work. So our brain and muscles need rest and sleep for the some time. Children need 8 to 10 hours of sleep in a day. एक दिन में बच्चों को कितना सोना चाहिए? 8 to 10 hours. This is the explanation, part 1 of this explanation. Now let's recall students what we have studied. First one, carbohydrates and fats give energy to our body. Now is it correct? Yes, it is true. Second, calcium makes our bones and teeth weak. False. Third, rough is undigested part of animal food. False. Eggs and meat are sources of proteins. Right. Our body does not need water and roughage. False. Thank you students. This is part 1 of this explanation chapter. Next video you will be getting soon.
टच करना है.